Your company has a very serious and important problem with induction safety training. That being that it is presented in person to an audience. The consequences of this could be dire for your company because information can be accidentally left out of the presentation, resulting in injuries to your staff members and visitors to your company, which could ultimately result in long-term suffering for the injured person and serious legal and financial problems for your company. The solution for this is to have your induction training put into a video, which can be shown to staff members and visitors. The reason this is so effective is that a video is consistent in providing the correct information every day to every person watching it. While even a seasoned professional trainer can have a bad day and forget to mention an important safety measure, a video never changes. It stays consistent day after day. The ultimate positive outcome of this is that your staff members and visitors will have seen the correct training, and you can rest assured that there were no variations or information left out. And finally, the video can help prove that the correct training was provided, potentially saving your company an enormous legal headache and potentially a lot of lost money. Not only can the video be used as evidence to help your company to win a case, but can potentially stop a case from appearing in the first place once the video has been shown to be complete for the training required and that the injured person had watched the video. So when you are thinking about the cost of making an induction safety video, keep in mind the potential costs of a lawsuit, which would potentially be dramatically higher than the cost of a video. In the way that your company is doing induction safety now means that your trainer, unless they filmed themselves every single time they gave the induction presentation, would have no way of proving that they actually provided a complete induction. This means that even though you can have a skilled professional induction safety trainer working every day doing the exact same induction training, you may still have a legal vulnerability. What should also be of the utmost importance to your company should in fact be to keep your staff and visitors to your company safe. The video can provide an accurate and consistent way to make sure that the right information about safety is given to the employee or visitor. When making the induction video, you can review and make sure that the information that goes into it is exactly as it should be, and once the video is made, it stays that way all day, every day. Even a well-trained and professional safety presenter cannot guarantee that every presentation they give will be perfectly accurate or complete. The potentially inaccurate presentations, therefore, can leave your company and its employees and visitors vulnerable. Training done in person can often take longer as well, as presenters can drift off topic or be distracted, or can simply be having a bad day, so are not as effective in their training. The staff member doing the training in busy companies is often also not available to do work, as all their time is taken up with presenting the same thing over and over. This is a cost to your company in that the salary being paid to the employee every month will never end. But the induction video, after being paid for once, does not cost any money again. The video can be used for unlimited times and never loses its value, its accuracy, its consistency, or its legal importance. To learn more about induction videos, be sure to go to abav.co.za or contact us for a free, no-obligation quote to have induction videos made for your company. You will be pleasantly surprised at how cost-effective and high-quality our induction videos are. Induction videos in South African businesses is one of the most important things you can have for both your employee safety as well as for protecting your company legally. While this video is not legal advice, and to safeguard your company, you should get professional legal advice, it is plainly obvious that having an induction safety video can save your company a lot of money and headaches.